Okay, so today we are going to talk about how we can run the Autocircle generator code that is linked from the Biorobotics GitHub page. So basically, the Autocircle generator code is a code that works with the Raven software and is subscribed to the Raven state and publishes to the AutoMove ROS message. And then it sends out commands so that the Raven is running at a circular motion. As you can see, this code is pretty useful and you can change it to serve your personal uses. So let's learn it. At this point, we assume you already have a running Raven as well as a Raven source code so that we don't have to take care of it right now. But if you do not already have that, you can check out the previous videos to see how we can set it up. Okay, and now we are going to move on to the next step, which is to download the Autocircle generator code and make it running. Assuming we don't already have a Catkin workspace, we will want to create one by doing the following. But if you do already have a Catkin workspace set up, then you can just skip this step. So we want to do sudo apt-get install ROS kinetic Catkin. And of course, depending on your ROS version, this can be changed. And you type in your password and starting. Okay. The next thing you want to do is to go to the directory where you want to create the Catkin workspace at. So we go back to here. Then we want to make directory Catkin workspace source. Now cd to the Catkin workspace and do Catkin make. So even though the workspace is currently empty, we still want to build it just to create the workspace properly. Okay, so there you have it. You have a working empty Catkin workspace. After the Catkin workspace is created, you will want to source, develop, setup.bash. Okay. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to add the workspace into the possible ROS package path. So gedit -rc. As you can see right now, the ROS package path has those, and then we want to add one more, which is the home Biorobotics Catkin workspace. This is to tell the computer that there are other ROS packages in this workspace. Okay, so if that is done, you want to save that. Okay, now we're ready to download the Autocircle generator code from the Biorobotics GitHub page. So let's see. This is where the Raven code is set. And now if we click U.Biorobotics, we can see here the Autocircle generator code. So here we have the Autocircle generator code right here, and we want to copy this link and go back to the terminal. Make sure that we want to cd to the source folder under Catkin workspace, and then we do git clone the link we just copied, and then yep, here it is. One thing to notice, so if you're running the newest release of Raven code from the summer of 2016, you should be running the kinetic branch of the Autocircle generator code, and other than that, you can definitely just run the master branch. So the main folder of Catkin workspace and do catkin make. Okay, so now after you've built the Autocircle generator code, you will want to source the files. So you do source develop setup.bash, and you will want a cd to source Autocircle generator. Okay, now since we have both the Raven code and the Autocircle generator code ready, let's run them together. So basically, you will want to open up two tabs on the terminal, one for the Raven code and one for the Autocircle generator. So on the first tab, you do ROS launch Raven to Raven2.launch, like you normally would to start up Raven, and then press the silver button and wait till it initializes. After the initialization is done, we press the D button in order to notify Raven that we're doing paddle down. Notice within the few seconds where it's paddle down, it tries to receive motion commands from the Raven auto move ROS messages. So whenever it stops receiving Raven auto move messages for more than 5 seconds, it will flip back to the paddle up state. That being said, within the 5 seconds, you need to go to the other tab and do ROS run Autocircle generator Talker Autocircle. And there you have it. Now Raven is running the circle motion. So here are a few more advanced options that you can choose from the main menu. First, we try pressing keyboard number 7 in order to display console messages. And then if we press 7 again, it will disable the messages. Besides that, we can press keyboard number 9 in order to change the base frame where it does the circular motion. And also by pressing number 1 and 3, we can change the radius and the speed. And apparently Raven does move according to your more advanced options. So there you have it.